Kita yan ha. Kaisa ha. Tama ako dyan.
Pera dyan ang yung pera.
Uy, tama na.
Ay, parang babae ang ang pogi mo! Takin mo! Akin ako!
Ano sabi sa inyo? Wala naman sinabi. Okay, sir, itutuloy ko po itong event na to. Babasahin ko yung letter.
At may sayaw mama, may sayaw dapat.
Ito po. Happy birthday, Bianco. Here's to another year of blessings and growth. I want to wish you a day filled with love, all your dreams and desire to come true. And I am so grateful to have you in my life. Thank you for being strong, for enduring,
Kasama ko isa dyan ha.
never give up.
Isa lang.
Lalo sa
Isa ha.
At sana,
Hoy! Pre, ano isa ka rin?
Uy! From the bottom of my heart, happy birthday. Araw-araw kitang kawain in love.
Pogi mo dyan, Lloyd!
Yum.
Ang pogi mo!